In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce. If you're looking to start or scale your dropshipping business, this is a fantastic way to streamline operations and manage your store efficiently. By integrating CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce, you can import products, automate order processing, and focus more on growing your business. Whether you're new to dropshipping or just exploring this integration, I'll break down the process step by step so it's easy to follow and implement. Let's get started and set up your store for success. The first thing you'll need to do is create a CJ Dropshipping account to do this. Head over to the CJ Dropshipping website. Once you're there, click on the sign up option and fill out the registration form with all the required details. Make sure to use an active email address because once you complete the registration, you'll need to confirm your email. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from CJ Dropshipping and click the link provided to verify your account. Once your account is confirmed, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now let's talk about setting up WooCommerce on your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. From there, click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and hit Enter. You should see the WooCommerce plugin appear in the search results. Click on Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. WooCommerce is now installed on your website, and you're ready to proceed. Next, you'll need to install the CJ Dropshipping plugin. Once again, go to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard and click Add New. This time, search for CJ Dropshipping. When you find the plugin, click Install Now and then activate it. If, for some reason, the plugin doesn't appear in the search results, don't worry, you can download it directly from the CJ Dropshipping website and upload it to your WordPress site manually. Either method works, so choose the one that's easiest for you. Once the plugin is installed, it's time to authorize your WooCommerce store with CJ Dropshipping. Log into your CJ Dropshipping account and navigate to the Add Store section. Select WooCommerce as your store type and enter your store URL. After you've entered your store details, you'll be prompted to approve the authorization request. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once the authorization process is complete, your WooCommerce store is officially connected to CJ Dropshipping. With your store connected, you can now configure your store settings. Head over to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard and take a moment to review and adjust the settings. You can choose your preferred shipping methods, set up importing preferences, and customize other options to fit your business needs. Taking the time to optimize these settings now will save you time down the road. The next step is to import your products. Browse the CJ Dropshipping catalog to find products that align with your niche or customer base. Once you've found a product you like, use the import feature to add it to your WooCommerce store. After importing, go to your WooCommerce dashboard to edit the product details. This is where you can adjust the title, product type, price, and other attributes. Make sure the product is listed under the correct store and that all details are accurate and appealing to your customers. Setting the right pricing is crucial. Review the product cost, shipping fee, and any service fees associated with the product. Based on these costs, set your selling price to include your desired profit margin. Be strategic here. Competitive pricing can make a big difference in attracting customers. When you're satisfied with the product details and pricing, click List It Now. The product will be published to your WooCommerce store, and this process may take up to a minute. Patience is key here, so let it work. To ensure smooth order processing, enable order syncing between WooCommerce and CJ Dropshipping. This feature allows orders placed on your WooCommerce store to be automatically forwarded to CJ Dropshipping for fulfillment. It's a huge time saver and helps you maintain a seamless workflow. Finally, verify your product listing. Go to the My Products section in your CJ Dropshipping dashboard and confirm that your product is published. Double-check the details like price, stock, and SKU to make sure everything is accurate and ready for your customers. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected CJ Dropshipping with WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.